Want to get more done on Windows without digging through menus? In this guide, I'll show you how to use Command Prompt, from basic navigation to useful commands for files, networking, and troubleshooting. Let's get started. First, open Start and search for Command Prompt. Select it to launch a normal window, or choose Run as administrator when a command requires elevated permissions. You can also open Command Prompt through Windows Terminal, which supports multiple command line environments. Now let's cover the basics. Type dir to see the files and folders in your current location. Use cd to move into another folder, and cd ... to go back one level. You can type cls to clear the screen. Yeah, these simple commands are the foundation of everyday command prompt use. To create a folder, use mkdir followed by the folder name. You can create a text file with echo, copy files with copy, and move or rename items with move. To remove a file, use del, but be careful, because deleting from Command Prompt can bypass the usual recycle bin workflow. Command Prompt is also useful for network troubleshooting. Type ipconfig to view your current network information, including your IP address and default gateway. If you're having DNS problems, ipconfig/flushtons clears the DNS resolver cache. And ping can help check whether another device or server is reachable. Here's a shortcut that's easy to forget. Type help to see available commands, or type help followed by a command for more information. You can also add question mark to many commands to display their built-in help. So if you're unsure about a command, check its help instead of guessing. For system troubleshooting, you'll also find commands such as chkdsk, which checks a drive's file system for errors. Some options can repair problems and may require administrator access, so don't run repair commands blindly. Read the command's documentation first, especially before making changes to a disk. And that's the basics of Command Prompt. Start with navigation and file commands, then move into networking and troubleshooting as you become more comfortable. Once you learn these essentials, Command Prompt becomes a surprisingly useful Windows tool.